السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة على رسول الله. Welcome to a new lesson in this book of Sheikh Noha Jazakallah khairan. Today inshallah we will be discussing the rule Idgham, one of the most common rules in Quran, and it's so important. So we were discussing the rules of Noon, Sakina and Tanween, and we said that Noon, Sakina and Tanween have 4 rules, right? And that means whenever you find Noon, Sakina or Tanween, you must have a rule after it. So how many rules do we have? We have 4 rules, as we said before. What determines what rule should I use? Yes, we look at the following letter, the next letter, like the letter that comes after the Nun Sakina and Tanween. This decides how can I say Nun Sakina or Tanween. So that's why we are studying the letters of each type. We said that Idghar, clarification, when one of the throat letters, Hamza, Ha, Ain, Ghain, Ha, Kha, comes after Nun Sakina or Tanween. So you make the Noon Sakina or Tanween clear, done. Okay, what about Iqlab? Iqlab, if we have a ba letter after Noon Sakina or Tanween, we turn over the Noon Sakina or Tanween into a hidden meme. That's for Iqlab. Okay, our lesson today is going to be about what? It's going to be about Idgham. So Idgham has letters. What are the letters of Idgham? The letters of Idgham are Yarmalun, are gathered in this word. Yarmalun, Yarmalun. They are 6 letters, okay? Okay. If we have one of these 6 letters, Yarmalun, after Nun Sakina and Tanween, we call it Idgham. Idgham. So, merging. Okay, let's go to a whiteboard now. And make it more clear. So we said that Idgham means merging, right? Merging. Okay, merging. So what should I merge? Like whenever I find one of these letters, the letters of Yarmalun, we are going to make merging. So let's write the letters of merging. They are Yarmalun. They are Yarmalun, okay? So these 6 letters are divided into 2 types, okay? So there are 2 types of Yarmalun. Okay, we have with Ghunna and we have without Ghunna. We have with Ghunna and we have without Ghunna. Okay, so let's start with Idgham with Ghunna. Let's start Idgham with Ghunna. Okay, Idgham with Ghunna here. So that means that there is Ghunna, there is Idgham, and there is Ghunna. So there is Ghunna and there is Idgham. There is merging besides Ghunna. There is like merging and there is Ghunna. And this happens when with 4 letters gathered in a word yanmu. Gathered in what? Gathered in a word yanmu. Yanmu. Okay, so that means if there is, for example, ya after Nun Sakina or Tanween, so I'm going to apply Idgham bi Ghunna. If there is a Nun after a Nun Sakina or Tanween, I'm going to apply Idgham bi Ghunna. If there is a Mim Sakina after a Nun Sakina or Tanween, I'm going to apply Idgham bi Ghunna. If there is a Waw after a Nun Sakina or Tanween, I'm going to apply Idgham bi Ghunna. Okay, let's move to the other one, which is Idgham without Ghunna. Idgham without, like بغير غنة. Okay, So we took 4 letters from these 6 letters. So how many do you have left? How many do you have left? Only 2, because you see ينمو, ya, noon, meme, wow. So there are 2 letters left, the lam and the ra. So the letters of idgham بغير غنة are what? Are lam and ra. What's happening here? And ra, yes. 2 letters here. Okay, now let's take examples. idgham بغنة like what? Like man. Oh, there is noon sakina رأس الحاء. So we need to look what's coming after it to what should we apply or what should we do after it. Okay, man يعمل. Okay, here man يعمل, we have noon sakina followed by ya. So I'm going to think, is ya among the letters of إظهار همزة هاء عين غين حاء خاء? No, it's not. Is it from إقلاب letters, which is ba? No, it's not. Is it from يرملون letters? Yes, it's the first letter of يرملون. So this has to be إدغام. So we know that we should do merging. We should say من يعمل, من يعمل, من يعمل. Okay? من يعمل. من يعمل is wrong. من يعمل, we say من يعمل. No, that's wrong. We say من يعمل. Okay? So we merge the noon into the ya and add a shadda here on the here. But this shadda is not, it's not visible, but you pronounce it. You say من يعمل, من يعمل. So if one says من يعمل, he made the merging, yes. They did, yes they did. But did they make ghunnah? No, they did not. So that means, so if you have from the 4 letters, yanmu, yes, ya is from the 4 letters here. So you should apply ghunnah 2 counts. You don't just say may ya'mal. You say may ya'mal, like you merge the first thing, and the second thing that is that you add ghunnah. So it becomes may ya'mal, may ya'mal, may ya'mal. Okay, now let's move on the other hand. On the other hand here, we have what? We have lam and ra letters, okay? So, if lam and ra becomes after noon, sakina, or tanween, such as, for example, min rabbik. Okay, min rabbik. Can I say min rabbik? No, ra is among the merging letters. So min rabbik is wrong. Okay, so we have ra comes after a noon sakina. So that is merging. Okay, can I say min rabbik? No, because it's idgham without ghunnah. That's wrong. We don't add ghunnah. Min rabbik, it's merging without ghunnah. We merge, like we say min rabbik, but we don't add ghunnah. We don't say min rabbik. No. I hope this make it clear. Okay, let's see now what's written in the book. Okay, idgham. Let's see here. Idgham means merging. When noon sakina or tanween is followed by one of these yarmalun letters, we merge them into the next letter, okay? Types of idgham. Okay, here we have, as we said, 2 types. There are with ghunnah, and we have the second type without ghunnah. Okay, but here, for example, we can say here, yanmu. Yanmu, okay? Now, without ghunnah, we said that there are 2 letters, lam and ra. Just 2 letters. What about with ghunnah? With ghunnah, they are gathered in the word yanmu, which are 4 letters. So if the noon sakina or tanween is followed by ya or waw, we call it incomplete idgham with ghunna. But if the noon sakina or tanween is followed by noon or meme, as you can see here, it's going to be complete one, complete type. Okay. Okay, here are exceptions. Let's see what. Why is are these four words exceptions? Okay, why are these exceptions? Yes, because idgham only happens in two words, as you notice here. You can see the examples. من يشاء, 2 letters. من ولي, 2 letters. خيرا لهم, 2 letters. من رزقي, 2 letters. من ناصرين, بحبل من. Idgham only happens in 2 words, okay? So, yes, 2 letters like the noon sakin and tanween comes at the first word, and the one of the yarmalun letters become after in the next word. Okay, but here in these 4 words, yes, it just come in one word, as you can see here. So we don't say qiwan, we don't say buyan, siwan, aduya. No, we say qinwan, sinwan, adunya, bunyan. So these are the exceptions that you all should know. That's all for today. You have benefit. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.